So guys, welcome to all of you on the live stream. As already it is started, so we will not waste our time and we will quickly start the make the trades. And we have like a little bit time here. So guys, are you all like newcomers here or maybe some olders, those who came every time? Well, I'm waiting for the comments, those who join the live stream every day. I hopefully that they will write quickly because they got the information that I'm doing the live stream, because you have the opportunity to subscribe the YouTube channel, so you will not miss anything. And the notification already sent by the YouTube to the subscribers, those who already subscribe. And if you are new here, then you can also subscribe so you will not miss anything. We will start our trade with the 300 drum and the time duration is 2 minutes. The graph is on in front of all of you, and the assessed is using here is Asia Composite Index, because well today it's giving only 89%, so we have to like think about it actually where it is moving at this moment. So guys, what do you think? Where we have to make the first trade? In the downward direction or upside? You can choose according to your choice and you can inform here. Well, after finishing this 8 seconds, now just only 3 seconds left, we will decide to make the live stream already started, and we will make to start here trade. On which direction we have to make the trade? So here it looks like that it is going to be upward, but it can go upward. But here the more and majority is that it will move to the downside, so it's okay. Well, you can see the previous history of the last trades, like big profits here. 1674 drum is profitable here. Before it like 744 drum. After that continuous 279, approximately like 300 profitable. So let's 27. Well, we can check the another composite indexes, because the Asia composite index is giving the very low. Commodity composite index is also like neutral, not going upward, not going downward here, like both conditions can happen here. So we have to wait here little bit here, and we have to like check the final thing, like where it will move. Well, it's trying to move in the upside, but it can also come back to the downside because it's commodity composite index. I make sometimes here, but I will try to make on the Asia composite indexes, because it is like in a almost like favor. Sometimes it also gives the loss, but we can believe on that. It depends on every region, like how much percentage is giving for you. Well, Europe is literally moving too much high upward direction, so we can reduce it or you can let's make it to the downside with the 3 minute duration, or wait like for 15 seconds. Now just only 10 seconds remaining. If we in zoom it, we can check the history, and the history is indicating that it was moving literally downward, then upward, downward, after that like neutral in the same manner, and now it's trying to move in the upside as we can see here. So let's make a trade with the 2 minute duration in the upside, because here it looks like favorable condition here. So guys, first trade is going to be profitable now for at this moment, but it can turn back to the downside, so we have to wait here. Well, only 1 minute 20 seconds remaining now, and the first profit is going to be profitable. It is also trying to come back to the downside, but I think that for the 1 minute it will turn back to the upside. Then we will get the profit, otherwise it will give the loss. So let's wait for the 50 seconds. Only 30 seconds remaining, guys. So guys, first trade is going to be profitable. Only 5 seconds remaining now on the Euro Composite Indexes, and it's profitable. First profitable, 273 dirham. Profitable. So guys, first trade is going to be profitable. Only 5 seconds remaining now on the Euro Composite Indexes, and it's profitable. First profitable, 273 dirham. So now at least we have to change the direction here, because it can turn back to the upside or it can go back to again to the downside. We have to wait a little bit here, and we have to recognize the directions of the Japanese candlesticks, like where they are moving exactly. Well, it came back to the downside and it literally changed the direction, but it's okay because we get our first trade, and that's matter only. Well, I recommend some subscribers in the yesterday live stream. They recommend to came today again, but I'm just waiting. Hopefully, they will come back after like half an hour. So it's okay, because our live stream is going to be like very big for almost like 1.5 hour. So if you have like courage and if you have time, if you are free, then you have to stay here. You can watch everything carefully from the beginning till the end. Well, don't worry about it. We will also take the break here. So here it's moving in the downside, right? But we have to wait here because it can change the direction again in the upside. It's trying, but it's not moving. So let's wait. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's count it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still it's trying to go back to the downside. So what do you think, guys? Oh, wait, we can check our Asia Composite Index. Well, here it's trying to go back to the downside again continuously. So let's make a down trade with the 200 or 300 dirham. And the duration is like, yes, we can make it. It's continuously trying to go back to the downside, not even it's trying to go back in the upside. Well, here a little change in the yellow line. Yellow line is trying to go back in the downside. So only 10 seconds remaining here and we can check like what will happen in the 10 seconds. So well, let's wait. Let's do one thing. Guys, what do you think? It will go back again to the upward, or it will go back and it will come back again to the downside in the like 40 seconds only? Here if we look, it's continuously moving in the upside, and I don't think that it will come back to the downside because the biggest Japanese candlestick is going to be formed here. Everyone can see clearly. Well, in the final time it will come back a little downward. We can say that this Japanese candlestick will form in the upside direction, but it will not reach till here. It will be formed like here till here. Let's wait and let's see. 5. See, it came back a little downward, as I told you. Omar Farooq. Well, hi bro, how are you? Omar Farooq. Well, I make the duration is 3 minutes, so we have to wait for the 3 minute, and we will not do anything for the 3 minute because it's trying to go back in the upside. We have to just wait for the 3 minutes, guys. Like both conditions are happening here. Trying to go back in the upward and trying to go back in the downward. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice that you are fine, bro. Stay healthy, stay well, like this always. So now it turned back to the downside, and we have now 2 minutes. And our trade line is a little far from this Japanese candlestick. But if it will go back in the upward, then it can be risky. Otherwise, it will be completely profitable trade if it just move to the downside. So guys, what is your opinion? This is going to be profitable or loss? Because we have the still time 1 minute and 25. If there is written only like just only 20 seconds as now, so I will surely recommend you and I will say that it will be 1000% profitable. But we have like still 1 minute and 10 seconds, so it can change. We have still enough time. Omar Farooq profitable. Yes, I also think like that. But if we look here, then the previous Japanese candlestick is forming in the upside. So this Japanese candlestick can also try to reach in the upward after the end of the time. But still it is visible that it is going to be downward. As see, I told you it can try to go back in the upward. And here it's trying to reach on the upside. Well, we have only 40 seconds there and here only 35 seconds. So let's see what will happen. and it's reaching. So guys, second profitable trade is also near now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the Asia Composite Index, and a profitable. So let's join it fast, quickly, guys. Second profitable trade is also near now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the Asia Composite Index, and a profitable. So let's join it fast, quickly, guys. As I know about it that it will reach in the upside because the yellow line already changed the direction in the upside. So let's do it for the 2 minutes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, it's increasing. Well, here it's trying to go back in the downside, but it will also come back to the upside. We have like 2 minute duration, so we will spend our duration for the 2 minute, when it will move a little bit to the downside. Let's see what will happen in the 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the Asia Composite Index, and a profitable. So let's join it fast, quickly, guys. Profitable trade is also near now. 5. So let's join it fast, quickly, guys. Profitable trade is guys, second profitable trade. So guys, second profitable trade is also near now. So Omar Farooq continues like third hat trick profitable trade is going to be here. And because the Japanese candlestick is literally moving in the very far direction from here, so we can adjust, like we can make a new trade on the upside. $28. So I make like two continuous trades, and we have now 30 seconds. Okay, this is going to be completely profitable, Omar Farooq. But what is your opinion? Recently, I make a new trade. Like it can turn back to the downside or it can go back again to the upward. So guys, I make a third profitable trade. Here you can see only 10 seconds remaining now. I make it for the 2 minute duration on the Asia Composite Index. Two profitable trades already done. This is the third, and fourth is on the above. So third is profit, and the fourth is here on the baseline. It can be like loss or it can be go back to the profitable. Anything can happen here. So you have to join the live stream for watching this fourth profitable trade or the fourth is loss. We will get the news, the result after the 58 seconds now. So here it go back to the upward, came back in the profit. Let's come on guys, join it. To the upward, came back in the profit. Let's come on guys, join it. Third profitable trade, here you can see. So guys, I make a third profitable trade, here you can see. Only 10 seconds. Well, it is also I think I have to make continuous here another trade. Well, guys, as I told you, fourth is profitable now. It came back on the profitable and favorable condition, and the four trades result in the upward. Well, guys, as I told you, fourth is profitable now. It came back on the profitable and favorable condition, and the four trades result in the upward. So now the time is came like where we have to make continuous four trades quadrant of the matrix. Let's see. So where we have to make the new trade now. Well, now the direction is changed to the downside, so let's make a fifth profitable trade in the downside with the duration of the 5 minutes or 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes is enough to make a duration. Well, guys, we have to wait a little bit here because it can go back again to the in the upside. Already like 1,000 and 1,050 dirham already in the profitable. One downward trade and 3 in the upward trade. Well, guys, it can also go back in the upside. So let's reduce the time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what will happen now. So this is also going to be profitable now. One minute and 15 seconds remaining now. And damn surely it will be a profitable if it's continuously like forming the upside, and the second one Japanese candlestick will also move in the upside, then continuous like 5 profitable trades. Well, here it's trying to go back a little bit downward, but I don't think that it will come back to the downside. Twenty seconds remaining there. Well, guys, continuous 5 profitable trades. It's really amazing and very confidently. So look here, 5 profitable trades continuous. Creative videos. 5 profitable. Well, guys, continuous 5 profitable trades. It's really amazing and very confidently. So look here, 5 profitable trades continuous. Continuous 5 profitable trades. It's really, guys, continuous 5 profitable. Well, guys, continuous 5 profitable. Creative videos, hello all. You came a little bit late and you didn't notice here what is going to be here. Like continuous, and interestingly, the main thing is that continuous without any losses, continuous 5 profitable trades, and the 6 is going to be. Let's make it, done it, no problem about it. So, creative videos. Well, where you were busy in the starting time when we tried to make the continuous trade here. So, only 1 minute remaining now. Well, it's changing the direction now. It can go back to the downside, and we have like still 1 minute left. So, what do you think? It will go back to the downside or it will come back again in the upward? Anything can happen here in the just 50 seconds. If the Japanese candlestick will not turn back to the upside, then it can be loss. But here on the like neutral line, it is very near to the trade line, so anything can happen here. Let's see what will happen in the 35 seconds now. Well, it becomes a loss. What I will say, creative videos, you just enter on the platform and the first trade is going to be loss. Well, it's okay, just kidding, don't take it seriously. Just joking. It happens. I got the continuous like profits, so it's okay that one trade will become the loss. And here they became. Let's make. Did you notice one thing that I make continuous 5 profitable trades on the Asia Composite Index with one loss? Creative videos, it's because of you. No, it's okay, bro. Just kidding. Don't take it seriously. Everything is fine. It happens. We all know about it. Anything can happen in the end of the time. Like continuously from the 1 minute 30 seconds, it was moving in the profitable direction, but in the end of the 30 seconds, it just changed the direction. What we can do in that? Well, here we have to make that trade. When I was here, I was thinking about it here because it was traveling in the upside. Well, it's okay. Let's see what will happen now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now it's turned back to the downside. Let's take a break here because anything can happen now. It can go back to the downside or it can go back again to the upside. We can check another composite indexes which maybe they are giving the favorable condition here. Well guys, if I notice here on the Asia composite index, so I want to make a trade here. Okay. I just make it. Let's see. I'm trying here because it is giving the highest percentage on the 93 percentage. Before this, which I was making here on the Asia Composite Index, it is like today giving less composite or less profitable as compared to the previous one, say only 89%. Let's see what will happen. It has to be moved again in the upside, otherwise it will be the second loss. Well, I make the 2 minute duration and it's completely moving to the downside now. It was not moving to the upside. Though, so the second loss is going to be happen now. Because in the just 1 minute remaining now, it doesn't look like that it will move again to the upside. Because the Japanese candlesticks are forming very bigger size and they are moving very far from our trade line. They are not looks very near to our trade line. Well, we have only 42 seconds now. And it's completely moving to the downside. So I make like on the different composite index. That's why I don't use this, because they looks like that they will give the profit, but they can change the direction anywhere. Well, I think I have to come back on our, let's see, gold. Where is the gold is going? Gold is like also not neutral. Come back on our Asia Composite Index. Well, it is giving like only 89%, but it has the highest chances to get the profitable here because it work properly. And it turning back to again in the upside. Let me do one thing. I can wait here. So it is turning, go back again in the upside or downside, right? Well, guys, I notice one thing, like whenever we are going to make the trades, they change like continuously and suddenly the direction of the trade. Like I was waiting, like it will turn back to the upside or it will move again to continuous to the downside. And when I click to the downside, it changes the direction, it go back again to the upward, but still it is coming to the downside. Well, here it changed the complete direction. Well, I will do one thing, like let's change the direction. From the next time I make the continuous trades in the upside, oh sorry, with the duration of the 3 minutes, I will think about it. Well, guys, I make down trade and only 2 minutes left now here, right? Asia Composite Index. Well, it's trying to go back a little bit downward. Here it came in the end of the 33 seconds, but it is still trying to go back in the upward. Well, if this will be like become the profitable, then it will recover our previous two losses. From that, one will be become profitable. Only 20 seconds remaining, guys. It doesn't have to be moved to go back in the upside. Only 10 seconds remaining now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Profit. Wow. So guys, 6 profitable trades, 2 losses, 1 is recovered, 1 we have to recover now. So let's make a down trade again. Well guys, let's make a down trade. One minute 20 seconds remaining now, and it changed the direction. Like there is no use to make the recover the previous Japanese candlestick in the profitable amount, because here the which is going to be like 6 to 8 ninth trade is going to be happen now here, and it's showing that it will turn back to the upside, because here the Japanese candlestick, this one is literally moving till here, and I make the trade here, and after that it turn back to the upside, it become finish here, and this Japanese candlestick is moving now in the upside. We have time is only 47 seconds. Let's do over the 3 minutes in the upside or downside. We have to think about it. Well, it doesn't look like that it will move to the downside. Let's make a down trade now with the duration of the how much. So guys, like 6 profit, 3 losses, and still we are in the profit of the 3 amounts. Now this is the time to change the direction or the assessed here. Well, commodity is trying to go back in the. See guys, here commodity gave me the yes, commodity gave me the losses because I make the uptrade, but here it turned back to the downside. After that it was moving continuously in the upside. Look, sometimes it happen. We have to think about it. So here it turning back to the downside. Well, if we look the gold one, and it's also moving to the downside now continuously. We have like 3 minute duration. Like we can wait here or we can just relax here. Now Asia Composite Index is also trying to be moved in the upside. Well guys, it can go back to the upside or it can go back to the downside. Anything can happen here. We have to just wait here, because the wait for something is like confidently we can say we can't do anything. We can just wait until the perfect time will not come. So I am just waiting here for the 25 seconds now, because after this finishing of the 25 seconds it will show us the where it will move in the which direction. and it's trying in the upside now. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Well guys, let's have a look here with the 3 minute duration we have. Well guys, what do you think now? Because we have like 2 minutes. Anything can happen in the 2 minutes. So we can wait for the 2 minutes now, or we can take a relax. So guys, after like 10 minutes, we will take a long break for like 5 or 10 minutes. Not too much, just for 5 10 minutes. So here only 1 minute 25 seconds remaining now, and the Japanese candlestick is very far from our trade line. Only 1 minute left now, and it's trying to go back to the downside after the 5 seconds. Now it will go back turn to the upside. So guys, if I make these two trades, then obviously 1 2 3, and these two will recover these two, because this one already make this. So we will come back again in the neutral amount. We have to just wait here for the 2 minute and 40 seconds. Well, here it is looking like that it is moving to the downside now, right? But here it is also looks like that it will turn back to again in the upside, because the straight line is becoming to here, and two trades on the same line, they are looking. So one profitable is already done, and the like total 7 profitable trades. The 8th profitable trade is going to be happen now after the 1 minute 40 seconds, but it can be lost because it changed the direction. It's trying to go back to the downside. So we have to just stay here, and we can't do anything here, guys. Well, now here the condition came that it can go back to the upside, or it can come back to the Omar Farouk. Just wow. Thanks, bro, for the compliment. And amazing, bro. Yes, it's amazing. This will be more amazing if I also get this profitable trade after the 50 seconds. Because here it changed the direction. Before it was continuous 7 profitable trades, only 2 losses. If I get this profit, then there is no loss. So guys, everyone like watch it carefully. What happened just now? It was came back again in the profitable, but in the just of the end of the last like 15 seconds, it completely changed the direction. It came back to the downward, but before this, like 15 seconds before, it was completely in the upside. But everything can happen here. So where we have to make the new trade, upside or downside? Well, here continuous they came back to the downside, so I'm thinking to make it like on the up trade or down trade. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 profitable trades. Let's wait for the 18 seconds. Now they turn back the direction in the upside. Well guys, like you came here just for watching the live stream or you are earning also. If you are not earning and you want to know the strategy, you want to know how you can also make the simplest trades here, then you can write in the comment chat so I can verify your questions and I will reply your answers of the questions. Like what you have to do when, because I want to suggest all of you, if you have low budget, if you have a very low budget, then you don't need to be make higher amount on the trade. You can invest small amounts. So like if you have very low budget, so you will have the chance and you are eligible to make like a several times and lots of numbers trades. Like if you have 1000, then if you will make like 100, then you can make the trade 10 times. But if you don't have like too much budget and you are trying to get like rich in just like in 2 3 seconds, then it looks like a little bit risky, because if you lost something, then you don't have the chances to get it recover of this. So guys, what do you think? I have to make the another trade in the upside or I have to change the direction to the downside? Well, here it is looking that it is trying to go back to the downside. We have like 2 minute duration in which like 50 seconds remaining now, and it turned back to the upside and it's changing the yellow momentum line also. Both are trying to go back in the upside, but they can come back again to the downside. So well, let's wait for the 30 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it's still trying to in the upside. 12 seconds remaining now. But guys, it can come back to the downside. Yes, it can come back to the downside. Or again, it can go back to the upside. We have to wait again, and we can make a 3 minute duration here. 13, 12, 11. 'Guys, do you want to suggest me? I have to make this trade or not? You have to make on the Olymp Trade. You can choose your assess, like here on which is the giving the highest percentage. If I look on the assess, then today composite index is giving the highest percentage. But I am not hungry. I am not making on the composite index. I am trying to make on the 89 profitable percentage of the Asia composite index. So guys, do you want to take a break? We can take break for the 5 or 10 minutes. What do you think? Creative videos. Okay guys, we can take like 10 minutes break. So guys, come back again after the 10 minutes. Okay, you can write your time and you have to come back here again in the 10 minutes. I'm going to take a break for the 10 minutes because I have to also drink water, some gorilla something. Because mouth is dry now, it's continuous speaking. Okay, it's okay. Come back guys after the 10 minutes. Well, guys, if you look here, I make in the break time one trade. I just skip and make it, and I got the profit of we can see here like profitable. So nine profitable trades here and continuous like the six profitable trades there, and we have to make the last trades. So, guys, are you listening the voice or not? Creative videos, are you here? Let's make quick response with the 24 seconds. It's trying to go back in the upside, but here the chances that it can come back again to the downside. We have to wait for the 15 seconds here. Let's make. Well, I make it a little bit late. It's trying to still downward, but here we can't do anything.
That this Bangladesh team has.
So, guys, with a 2 minute duration, it's trying to go back again to the downside. Before the previous one was done in the upside, and this also went in the upside, but in the end of the last like 30 seconds later, it came back, turned back to the downside, and it will go back upward. And why I'm saying that it will move in the upward, because of the because of these momentum lines here. If we look completely on the momentum lines here, then the yellow line is trying to go back in the upward, but this blue line is trying to go back to the downward. Let's have a look carefully. And we have just only 40 seconds, and it's trying to go back in the upward again, but it will not go back too far because it's a little far in the upward. But we can do one thing. "15 seconds, 25 seconds, 9 seconds, 20 seconds." Let's see, guys. So this one is a loss, but here like we have 3 minute duration, and we have to look here. In the 3 minutes, it will go back again to the upward or not. Well, here it is looking that the yellow line is already went in the upside, so this blue line is also can go back again to the down. Oh, sorry, in the upside. Well, a little mistake in the downside continuous. Well, I make the two up trades. If I make the down trades, then surely they will give the down trade. But here we have to wait. We can't do anything. And I can do one thing. Like, let's check our profitable trades how much. So, one, okay. Profitable trades is already written there. Like, nine profitable trades. And what is the success rate? Oh, 65 percentage. It means that we are in the profit. We can count them. Like nine profitable trades with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loss. So still I'm in the profit of the four profitable trades, guys. So let's, no need to worry about it. It's still in the four profitable trades. Well, I think I have to change the direction with the 2 minute duration in the downside now. So guys, after like making continuous up trades, now I'm going to make a down trade and let's see what will happen. Down trade will gives the profit or loss. Let's make one down trade. Well, here the blue momentum line is trying to go back again in the upward when the only 24 seconds remaining there. Now it turned back to the downside. What is your opinion? It will go back again to the upward or it will come back to the downward? Well, it's trying. We can check. Well, let's check the another composite indexes. Maybe they are perfectly moving in the downside or upside. We will know about it. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I understand one thing, whenever you are making or I am making the trades, then it's completely change the direction after like just finish a trade. If you are making a trade continuously, it change the direction. The another trade we have to make here on the 91 percentage. Well, it's trying to go back downward here. Before this it was continuously moving in the upward. Same thing is happening here. Like if we check the Asia composite indexes, now it's trying to go back in the upward. Before this it was completely moving to the downside. So guys, what do you think? I make here again a up trade on the commodity composite index and it's pretty well moving in the upside. Only 50 seconds remaining there, only 0 seconds remaining here. It's trying here now to go back to the downside, but I think it will come back again to the upward. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And its profit. Let's make another profitable trade in the upside. Now it has to be come back a little to the downside and it will change the direction completely. So well, here 10 profitable trades we can see guys, and 5 losses, 1 2 3 4 5 6 losses, 10 profitable, still in the 4 profitable trades. Well, we can do one thing. It's hugely go back in the upside. Let's wait. Now they are turning back to the downside, right? Let's make a new trade with the 2-minute duration and or maybe with the 3-minute duration. It's like irregular. Crypto composite is moving in the irregular. Like here we can see with the difference. Here I notice one thing, like this Japanese candlestick doesn't follow the Japanese momentum lines because they are moving downside and still the graph is moving upward. Here is opposite. If I notice here from the many times, that's why no need to make on this. Let's come back on our Asia composite indexes. It was moving downside, but here it's trying to go back to the upward, but it will come back again to the downside, or they can turn up in the upward. What about the commodity composite index? It's also trying to go back to the downside. Well, we have like 3 minutes here and it's completely moving to the downside. It can come back to the upward after the 20 seconds, so let's wait. And here the thing is that 240 is now 5 seconds remaining now. Well, it's look pretty well. Now it turned up to the upside. We can make another trade in the upside with the minutes of the 2-minute duration. Or do you want to make a down trade? Well, up trade is okay. Two minutes here and it's trying to go back to the downside. We can make a down trade here, guys, with the 3-minute duration, okay? And turn up, go back again in the upward. We have now time is 1 minute 45 seconds now. See guys, I didn't use any martingale strategy today because already 4-5 times in the profitable, so there is no use to make the martingale strategy here. Really, you know very well the reason why I didn't use the martingale strategy here. Well, it was forming in the upward after it come back to the downside, and now we have just only 1 minute left. It is trying to go back to the downside. It's also like irregular. Before it was going to the upward, so gold is now going to the upward, right? Come back on the Asia composite index. Well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Asia composite index now trying to go back to the again downward. It's crossing the border, it's moving to the down. Three to it's already came back a little far downward, so there is no chances to go back in the upward down. It's trying to go back upward. We have like time is 1 minute 40 seconds now. So commodity composite index, well, I make on the commodity composite index like 1 profitable and 1 loss. Total profitables are 10 trades. Here you can see, we can check our active trades here now. So today's success rate, it becomes like 59%. 10 profitable trades upon the full history, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 losses. Well guys, now the time is came to finish the live stream, so I think this is the last, or maybe the next one will be the last trade for today. It came back in the end of the time in the 20 seconds. Like, let's make another trade. Mhm. In the 25 seconds, it has to be moved back again in the upward direction. 3, 2, 1, and let's see where is the direction. Well, it's trying to go back in the downside now. 10 seconds remaining, guys. Just because of the 10 seconds, it looks like that it is going to be lost now before it was trying completely in the upward. Wow. It becomes profitable. 11 trades becomes profitable now. And we can make a trade in the upward, but here the Japanese candlestick is trying to go back in the downward. So I'm going to make a last trade here. Well, guys, this is the last trade. If I notice it here. Well, it changed the direction now here. Now commodity is trying to go back again to the downside. Here it's trying to come back again in the upward. What is the gold? Is giving the 93 percentage. Okay, guys. So these are the like two trades, and after that the live stream will be going to be finished. So we have to just wait for the 2 minutes here now, and 2 minutes will decide the result will be profit or loss. It is on the neutral line here, like neutral, loss, profit, anything can happen here. Here just only 40 seconds now. Well, it is very far from our trade line. Eight. Two. And wow. Just because of the 1 second, did you notice it was come back to the downside before it was trying to move in the upward, as now it is coming go back again in the upward. So sometime it happened. Well, 11 profitable trades now and 47 remaining of this. We can check the history. Oh well, it was moving to the upside, but also in the risky time here it's trying to go back to the downside. So these are our like last two trades, and after that the live stream will finish. Before finishing the live streams, I will suggest you one thing, guys. If you have low budget, invest low amount. If you have high budget, invest high amount. Anything can happen here. Well, Asia Composite Index is not in a regular way now. It's trying to go back again to the downside. We have only 1 minute left here. Still it is moving to the downside before it came back in the upside. If I make the duration trade of this here, then it will gives the profit. Well, already this one becomes the profitable. You can see 12 profitable trades here now. This has to be go back again to the profitable. Only time is remaining just 40 seconds. 27 seconds remaining, guys, now. So guys, this is the last trade for today. It is going to be lost now because here the direction is changed completely in the end of the time. See, it changed the direction. But so guys, 1 minute left now, and it's time to say goodbye to everyone already in the profit of the how much time we are in the profit. Like we can count them. 12 profitable trades and 10 losses, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 profitable. Oh, 12 profitable, 9 losses, 3 in the profitable amount. So guys, the last thing I want to tell you, like here we got the 12 profitable trades. 12.55% is the successful rate, and I make like approximately like 30 trades, in which here at this time they are giving the loss, but already if I count it from the starting, from where I started, here look, profitable, 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 some are losses. So total is like 9 losses and 12 profitable trades. We can check here. So total overall is the like profitable amount with the like 600 drums approx. So there is no losses. This is the strategy, we call it like 100% is profit, because we already recovered the all losses and there is no fault in the loss. Everything is perfect. See you soon again on the next live stream, guys. Okay guys, bye. See you soon again.